Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate video marketing with Animoto, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using Animoto for video marketing automation, first, visit the Animoto website and create an account if you haven't already. Next, log into your Animoto dashboard. Once you're in, choose a template that suits your marketing needs. Click on the Create button to start a new project. Select the video type you want to create, such as promotional, social media, or event video. After selecting a template, you can customize the text to convey your key message. Upload images and video clips relevant to your brand or product. You can also choose from Animoto's vast library of stock photos and videos. Once your media is uploaded, arrange the clips in your desired sequence by dragging and dropping. To enhance your video further, select a music track from Animoto's licensed library. You can adjust the timing of the slides to sync with the music for a polished effect. Preview your video to ensure everything flows smoothly. If you need to make adjustments, return to the editor to refine your message, images, or music. After finalizing your video, click on the Produce button to render it. Once the video is ready, decide how you want to share it. Animoto allows you to download the video or share it directly via social media platforms. For automating future video marketing efforts, consider using Animoto's scheduling features. With these tools, you can plan and post your videos consistently across various platforms. Regularly monitor performance analytics provided by Animoto to gauge your video marketing success. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to improve engagement over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.